Does AAA offer tire inflation or pressure checks? Have you ever found yourself on the side of the road with a flat tire, wondering what to do next? If so, you might be curious about the services offered by the American Automobile Association, commonly known as AAA. One of the key services they provide is related to flat tires, which is a common concern for many drivers. AAA roadside assistance includes the installation of your vehicle's spare tire if you encounter a flat while driving. If you do not have a spare tire, or if it isn't safe to use, AAA will tow your vehicle to a nearby approved repair facility for tire repair or replacement. This service is part of their flat tire support and is included in various membership levels. Now, let's talk specifically about tire inflation and pressure checks. AAA technicians can reinflate a flat tire as part of their flat tire service. If your tire is low on air but not damaged beyond repair, they can help by adding air to your tire. This service is particularly useful in emergencies, allowing you to get back on the road quickly. However, it is important to note that this emergency inflation is not a substitute for a full tire maintenance check. For comprehensive tire pressure checks and adjustments, AAA recommends regular maintenance at auto repair shops or tire centers. This is where you can get a thorough inspection of your tires to ensure they are in good condition and properly inflated. From the perspective of auto insurance, having AAA roadside assistance linked with your insurance policy can be beneficial. It covers emergency tire services like inflation and spare tire installation. This can help reduce the risk of tire-related breakdowns and may lower your overall risk profile when it comes to insurance claims. In summary, AAA roadside assistance provides tire inflation services during emergencies and can install your spare tire if needed. However, full tire pressure checks are best handled by auto repair shops. Linking AAA roadside assistance with your car insurance can enhance your coverage by including these emergency tire services, offering practical protection for drivers.